Question of the day to the audience: what is the weirdest thing you guys have delivered on like Doordash or Postmates or Instacart? Because I bet you've delivered some weird things on like Instacart because you're essentially just going grocery shopping for people, right? Let me know down in the comments below what's the weirdest thing you guys have delivered. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be doing another daily dash, but hold on one quick second. Got to dress a little bit more presentable because someone told me the other day in the comments that I was dressing like a thug, and I don't dress like a thug, and I don't want to dress like a thug, and I take pride in being a responsible human being, and being called a thug is kind of a disgrace, to be honest. Like, I take offense to that. Anyway, so today we're doing another daily dash. It is, I don't even know why I put the jacket on because I'm about to go to the gym. So I'm going to take it right back off, but I'm going to be a little bit more presentable for you guys. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a couple orders because it's 12 o'clock right now. I am just leaving the house. I'm so sore. I took a few martial arts classes the last few days and my legs are so tired, so I like woke up and took a hot bath. Anyway, so we're gonna do a couple orders and then we're gonna go to the gym, do a little upper body workout, but let's get this day started. Also, real quick, check out the haircut. Shout out to my barber, myself in my mirror. Cut my hair last night. Wasn't feeling the long hair. I just feel like I'm more active and on it and responsible when I have like a fresh haircut. I don't know, it could be just like something I tell myself, but like whenever I let my hair go and I'm just kind of like wearing a hat every single day, I feel like I'm a little bit lazier of a person. Ooh, we got an order. $6.50 to Walgreens. Normally don't take Walgreens orders, but it's so short. Alright, let's go to Walgreens. Normally, I try to avoid grocery stores and pretty much anything that has to do with like shopping and stuff, but this order is like insanely short and it kind of comes right back towards my house. It's $6.50, which I could be shooting myself in the foot after I like see what, like, I really hope that there's not like a gigantic order and like I have to take like, you know, when you have to go grocery shopping for like more than 10 things, it becomes like not really worth your time. Anyway, so let's darken this up a little bit. Driving to Walgreens, I'll get back to you guys when I get there. So I've mentioned this in the last couple of videos. I try to do what I call convenient dashing or casual dashing. Just when, like, for example, I just ate like 5-10 minutes ago, and I want to let my food digest before I go to the gym. Like, I don't want to go to the gym on a full stomach, so I'm gonna try to dash for about an hour. Ideally, I just want to get 2 orders real quick, make like 15 to 20 bucks, and then get my day started. Not gonna lie, I've been waking up pretty late lately. Like, I wake up at 10, but I don't actually get out of bed until 11. I like to sit in my, I've been doing this thing, like normal, I used to wake up and I would go straight down to my office and I would start working, but now I've just been kind of doing it in my bed, and I don't know if it's a good idea because it takes me longer to get out of bed rather than just like get up and go drink coffee, you know? I like wake up, pull over my computer, and then I like answer my emails and all that stuff like right before I even get out of bed, and then I don't end up getting out of bed for another hour, so it's like 11 o'clock before I even get my day started. Something's gotta change. Something's gotta change. That's why I cut my hair, because I felt like I was getting lazy. Alright, Walgreens. Okay, I just gotta say something real quick because this is hilarious. Okay, the other day I was doing a order from Walgreens, okay, and I rarely do them, so this is only like my 3rd time or 4th time doing it, probably like 4th or 5th time doing an order from Walgreens. The other day I picked up a pregnancy test from Walgreens for someone, and in there was like some candy and like other things. I'm looking at this order right now and it's almost the same order. It says 1 clear blue early detection pregnancy test, and then there's a Nerds rope, Hostess cupcakes, Hershey's nuggets, Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Okay, I just want to say, I don't want to sound like a dick or anything. I don't know if this is a dick thing to say, but like, damn, I'm delivering a pregnancy test and This is the second time that I've delivered one of these with all of the other items being a bunch of sugar. I think you're pregnant if you're ordering all these kind of things, but that's just my opinion. But I think you're probably going to end up being pregnant. I'm sorry if that's bad news, but it could be good news, you know? I think that's a good news. Anyways, all right, this is another random order. Let's go get this order real quick. All right. This is funny because, okay, I just got the order. I'm driving over to their place. It's a mile away, real quick. This is funny because I feel like every time, I don't know what it is with people and ordering from like Doordash, like, okay, so far I've delivered some very random items. I've delivered 2 pregnancy tests. Both seemed like they had a bunch of sugar and like junk food items in the rest of the order. Those girls were probably pregnant, just saying. Not like to be a dick or anything. You're probably pregnant if you're ordering the rest of things, or you're just really unhealthy, and I hope that you start eating healthier. I've also delivered some random items like condoms. People had me buy condoms for them. My roommate was doing Postmates and he delivered a Plan B to someone. Like, I feel like whenever you're delivering from Walgreens or CVS, it's like people who don't, maybe they get embarrassed or something and they don't want to go pick up these items. I don't know. I don't really get embarrassed, but it's kind of funny that they're trying to like put the embarrassment onto someone else rather than like have to go and get it themselves. Because like, I don't know, are people going to look at me like, congratulations, your girlfriend's gonna be pregnant or something like that? I don't know. I've only bought a pregnancy test like twice or something in my life, and obviously never had any kids or gotten anyone pregnant. But anyways, I hope this girl is getting the result that they want, whether it's good or bad. I don't know, but maybe you want to, if it is a positive pregnancy test, maybe fix the diet a little bit. I don't know anything about pregnancies and stuff, but I would hope that they would eat stuff that's healthier than just candy and like ice cream. I mean, I get it, okay? Anyways, we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna drop off this order because I'm actually pulling up in about 2 seconds. All right, actually, so I totally forgot that we were having a tramp wall session today, so we're gonna take a quick break and actually check this out. The new Guys joggers just came today. So stoked. They are so comfortable and stretchy. So we're gonna film a quick promo clip with Elijah for the new Guys joggers real quick. Random day, totally thought, I just totally forgot that I had a bunch of people coming over to bounce at my house. That's how unscheduled I am. Anyway, so we just had a pretty sweet session. These pants are so comfortable. This is the first time that I've ever designed a prototype, which is these pants, and gotten them back first try. Like whenever I design shoes and stuff, they never ever come out correct the first time. But fortunately, all of the yoga sets, the girls' sports bras and leggings, and the guys' joggers, they all came out good first try, which totally never happens. Anyway, so pretty stoked about that. I've been wearing these things all day. This is, I started this video at like, I think 12 or so, and now it's like almost 4 o'clock. So the sun is already going down. It's unfortunate how fast the sun goes down nowadays because, especially when you start your day at 11 o'clock, you only have like 5 hours of sunlight. But I think what we're gonna work on is maybe a drive-in show in my backyard, because I don't know if you've noticed or seen other videos, but we have like an acre of free land, so we're gonna do like a circus show in the backyard. Anyways, that's completely off topic of what this video started off as. But yeah, comment down below and let me know like the weirdest thing that you guys have delivered. Because I bet you if you're doing like Postmates or like Instacart, where it's kind of essentially just random items at grocery stores, you probably deliver some weird stuff. I mean, I guess it doesn't get much like more awkward than condoms or Plan B or a pregnancy test, but let me know if you've delivered anything weird down below in the comments. All right, so waited a little bit to get another order. Didn't get anything. It's like 4:05 right now, so I'm gonna call this video because by the time I get out of the gym, there's not gonna be any sunlight, and I'm about to go work out. Got the the post-workout shake right here. In the pre-workout, I take a C4 and creatine. It's not creatine monohydrates. It's, I don't know what it's called. And then this, I put bananas, or 1 banana, peanut butter, a raw egg, Garden of Life whey protein, and MCT powder. It's kind of like MCT oil, but it's a powder form. Anyway, so that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet, and just generally tap that that like button. Just help out my channel a little bit. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, maybe tomorrow we'll do a little bit more trampoline or something in the video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Peace.